Welcome to Sharkroll Casino. In this quick guide, we'll show you how to make a deposit using Apple Pay. Start by logging into your account at sharkroll.io. Click on the wallet icon in the top right corner. From the menu, select Deposit. Click on the deposit method dropdown and choose Apple Pay. Select whether you want to pay in EUR or USD. If your account uses another currency, the system will automatically convert it at the current exchange rate during the payment process, and the equivalent USD amount will appear in your balance. Enter the amount you wish to deposit. If you use a bonus or promo code, select it here. When you're ready, click Deposit. You'll be redirected to the My Expend payment page. If this is your first time using My Expend, you'll need to create a profile by entering your personal details. Select Apple Pay and confirm the payment. Approve the transaction in your bank's app connected to Apple Pay. Your payment will now be processed. The status may briefly show as pending. Once processing is complete, you'll be redirected back to the Sharkroll Casino page. If your deposit is successful, you'll see Payment Successful, and the deposited amount will appear in your casino wallet. And that's it! You're ready to start enjoying your Sharkroll Casino experience. Play smart and good luck!